Hello everyone, my name is Bombshow. You're welcome to my channel. It's a Bombshow Television. Musho my latest musho zviri kupisa zvega. Kana uri munyowani, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's a Bombshow Television. Nhasi ndauya good news. Kana une business raunoita, imborisa mu comment section unowana kuwana nonechi customer kana munhu anozvida. Kana une business raunoita, ingoriudza mu comment section unowana kusanganochi nemhene. Tiri kuadvertisa mahara, tine ka promotion sezvo takapinda 7,000 masubscribers. Guys, ndokubigai makapenga. Ndimi munoita tirambe tichiendera kumberi tichitsvaga malatest. So ndisinganyanyi kupedza nguva, kana uri munyowani ndinokuchingamidza nemufaro. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Ndisinganyanyi kupedza nguva, let's get into today's story, and don't forget to advertise your business with us. Number munozowana padescription yechannel kana kuti ndichadzisa mucomment section. Saka rega tipinde munyaya yanhasi. Right, guys, tauya biography ya Shashl yatoda kuti tise tiingopanana biography, real name, parents, boyfriends, and leaked video. So we are going to talk about these 4 topics here today. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. And tichingotenda varikuita se vari kusubscribe, our support iri kuti further, guys. That's why we are looking for new updates. So Shashl is hogging the headlines after the intimate video of her and her former boyfriend was leaked online. Well, many know her as a musician, but there is more to Shashl than her singing talent and the controversy surrounding her name. Here is a brief biography of Shashl. Real name: Shashl's real name is Ashley Angel Moyo. Her parents are Obadiah and Lucy Memory Moyo. Her father is a ZANU-PF politician and a former minister of child health care. Siblings: Shashl has 3 siblings, including a sister named Sheris. Education: Youth Village Zimbabwe reports that the Silvet songstress did her high school at Dominion Convent, one of the most prestigious girls' schools in Zimbabwe. Growing up, she planned to study medicine, but life had other plans for her. Career as a musician: despite coming from a wealthy family and having her life set at a tender age, Shashl was determined to create her own name, divorced from her father's. She started singing at a very young age. In 2017, she dropped her debut single, No More. One Zimbabwean executive at Universal Music, Stanley Bosch, had Shashl and was blown away by her soulful music. He then facilitated things for Shashl, and Universal Music swooped in and signed her when she was only 18 years. The move made her the first female Zimbabwean musician to be signed under the US domiciled label, which now has an African arm. The record deal covered the recording, publishing, manufacturing, and distribution of her music. Shashl is not only a singer, she can perfectly play 10 instruments, which include the guitar, mbira, drums, violin, flute, saxophone, and marimba. She also composes her songs. So, leak the bedroom now. This is the other topic. On Sunday, Shashl and her former boyfriend, producer Levels, went viral on social media platforms that also did the rounds on social media. Shashl said her ex-lover leaked the video in an attempt to blackmail her after she ended things between them. Prior to the leak of the pictures of the music producer, he had been leaked, and he issued an apology saying his phone was hacked and claimed that was refuted by Shashl. She also told the state media that his phone was not stolen. The songstress accused the Levels of being a bitter man and intentionally leaking their explicit content to embarrass her. She also claimed that she was manipulated and forced into relationship by Levels, who also raped her at times. He forced me into the situation. He would force me to sleep with him when I didn't want to. It started on social media when people were saying Levels and Shashaw are dating, yet we were not. He is actually the one who posted that story. Later on, he started to corner me to sleep with him. I refused on several occasions before he threatened me that he would not record my music, Shashaw said. Shashaw has been unlucky in love. She used to date Godfrey Utsiwe Goto, who assaulted her and was fined 600 for the offense. Shashaw was left unconscious after she was assaulted on 26 July at a popular nightclub, Pablo's. Her father, Obadiah Moyo, reported the matter on her behalf, and when she appeared in court during her boyfriend's trial, she said she never reported a case of assault. It's my father who reported the matter to the police. I even told my father that I don't want to report the issue. He wrote the statement, she said. Shashau told the court that she was leaving Pablo's around 2:30 a.m. when Ovia Mujima, a South African national, confronted her, pulled her wig, and assaulted her unprovoked. She said her boyfriend then joined in the assault and was only stopped by security at Pablo's. Two Pablo's security guards, however, testified that Shasha was assaulted by Ovia and not by Utsiwe Goto. The bouncers further said that she provoked the South African national by pouring wine on her. Utsiwe Goto said Shashau poured wine on Ovio because she thought he was dating her. When he took to the stand and he denied assaulting her. Chosport co-owner Levels, real name Tafadzwa Kadzimwe, initially denied they were an item. This was after social media users speculated the two were doing more than just recording hit songs. They were spending time together because he was also doubling as her manager. The truth is, I am not having a love affair with Shashao. Actually, I am her manager. That's why I spend most of my time with her, Levels said. So, guys, ndo nyaya yesei pakaipa nyaya ndo mamirira yakaita. So the voice is now yours in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Mazviwanzwa sei uye mazviona sei kuti ama Shashao angatongo ari kunzi is unlucky in love. So amen.